Look at all these crabs hiding in the young rice.
I found a big one over here by the ridge.
Look at all these crabs in the mud today.
Yes, the harvest will be good for the pots tonight.
Keep picking them quickly. Look at the size of this one.
There are so many crabs in the mud today. Look at this one, it's quite a big crab. Nice catch. There are many in this field today. Keep walking, we have much to plant. Look at all these crabs today.
There are so many in this section of the field. We will fill the baskets quickly. Look at the size of this one.
There are so many in the mud today.
We will have a great feast tonight after walk.
Look at all these crabs in the paddy today.
I have already filled half my basket while planting these seedlings.
Look at all these crabs in the water today. The harvest is truly abundant this season.
Keep a steady pace, everyone. We need to clear this section before the sun gets too high today. The soil feels just right today.
Yes, the harvest will be strong if we keep this pace through the afternoon.
The soil feels perfect this morning. Yes, if we keep this pace, we will keep the rows straight so they have room to grow. I need more seedlings over here, please. Here, take these.